Hi, thanks for checking out this channel. We've got nearly 600 videos on YouTube about electric fence charger repairs and how to fix them, and show and tell videos. We also work on cattle scales and low bars for Gallagher and some other brands, but there's a little bit about us, what we do. There's links to our websites, fencerfixer.com and cattlescalerepair.com, down in the description area. If you don't want to type it in, just hit the drop down arrow, click on the link, take you to our websites. But there's all of our information about us. But this is just a overview of this unit. This is one that we worked on for our customers, the Parmak Magnum 12, the old brown metal case version with the needle gauge on the front. The new ones about 5 years ago. So 2021, yeah, about 5-6 years ago, they came out with a new version of this that's plastic. It's a red plastic case. It's similar. Operates about the same for the most part. Different parts on the inside. There's a few similarities, but they're also different in the same. So one thing we still need to do to this is the alligator clips are kind of rusted up on there, and I think that's part of the problem that he was having with it. But if we bypass the rusted part and put my power supply on the good metal area there, it comes on and works just fine. So if you got one of these things that needs to be worked on, we're certified to work on about any brand out there, old style, new style. So we've got accounts with all the manufacturers and distributors that sell these fence chargers. So if you want one worked on, we'll be happy to do it. So we're going to turn my power supply on at about 12.5, 13 volts, flip the switch on. See it working there, pegs the needle all the way into the green. Put our meter on there. We're getting about 7,500 volts roughly out of it. So it's working fine now. So, well, if you've got one of these things, we're happy to work on it. Pretty good little unit. The parts aren't super expensive. I mean, a brand new one's about $100, $120 for a new one, and parts are a fraction of that. So, these things are usually worth fixing. People think, throw it away and buy a new one. Yeah, you can if you want, but if you want to save some money, send it here and let us fix it for you. And we'll give you 18-month warranty on it, year-and-a-half warranty on the repairs. So, brand new, I think, comes with a 2 or 3 year warranty now. Alright, well, that's basically it for this little video. It's a little short thing about this unit and what we do. So if you've got one he's worked on, any brand, model, send it off to us. We'll be happy to work on it for you. And until next time, we'll see you later.